Hey traders, Marcello here, founder of the Day Trading Academy. Today we're going to be answering all your questions about Renko bars. We're here in Medellin, Colombia. I know it has a bad rap. We have a trading center down here. Definitely recommend that you guys come and visit. It's called the City of Eternal Spring for a reason. Don't forget to subscribe, obviously, here on the channel. I love that you guys are asking all the questions so I can interact with you guys and share some of my experience. And also, if you do want to leave any questions, don't forget to leave them with hashtag AskMarcello. This question is from Brian Powell. I built my strategy on Renko bars so that I can trade overall price momentum. So what do you think about Renko bars? So for those of you that are beginners in trading or don't know that much about trading, there's obviously different types of charts that we can use to be able to trade with. The main difference is there's I would say two really types of charts. There's either, and there's my phone, so I'll turn that off. I'll turn that off for you guys. There is basically something called time-based charts, or something called, and I'll just gotta go back and make sure you guys heard me okay. There's time-based charts, or there is transaction-based charts. Now, for me, the real advantage of being able to trade with things like transaction-based charts is that it's really awesome to be able to actually see all of the information that is happening in the market. So when you're trading with something like time-based charts, you don't really see all the information, right? And let me kind of delve into this a little bit. For example, if we are going to be successful traders, you guys are watching this video because you're interested in either making a little bit of extra money, or obviously you hate your job, or you're tired of being rush hour traffic for an hour, right? You want to be able to work from home or work wherever, whatever the case may be. Obviously, in full disclosure, you guys should know, yeah, you can make money trading, but you can also lose it. So keep in mind, right? This is, I think, a market or a job that everybody just thinks they're going to buy this $100 course and tomorrow they're going to be millionaires, and unfortunately it doesn't work that way. It is risky to learn how to day trade. I truly believe that anybody can learn how to do this, but not everybody is going to want to sacrifice what they want to be able to actually learn. So I just want to throw that out there. When it comes to price-based charts like candlesticks, for example, the problem is that you don't see all of the information. And if we are going to be successful traders, then we have to not have a goal of making money or making $1 million or making $1 billion, whatever the case may be. Obviously, that might be the reason why most of you want to get into this business, but it's mostly psychological, not technical. So we have to think about making the right decisions. And if we really think about this analytically, we're going to have the possibility to make money in any kind of market. It's really ignorant for us to be able to think that, the market's going to move awesome all the time, right? That's not the case. There's a 15-20% window where the market doesn't move well. There's a 15-20% window where the market does move well, and then there's obviously a lot of stuff in between. So when you're looking at the whole point, kind of set the foundation there, the whole point of that is, if we're going to learn how to trade, we have to be able to make sure that we can make money in any kind of market. I should really rephrase that, to have the opportunity to try to make money in any kind of market. Because the goal for us as traders is to be consistent, not to make money, right? Because obviously you can make money, you can lose money, but if you make the right decision, the money will come, no matter how much it is. So, Brian, when it comes to the Renko bars, I like them because they are transaction-based, right? They're not time-based. Because as I was mentioning to you guys before, with time-based charts, a lot of times we not only complicate the analysis process, but we also don't see all the information. Most people who trade Forex, for example, they look at a 60-minute chart, a 30-minute chart, a 10-minute chart, 3-minute chart, and 1-minute chart, if I'm not mistaken. So no matter if there's a lot of volume, a little volume, the market's moving great, the market's moving horrible, you're going to see the same thing every day. You're going to see 68 bars of 60 minutes. You're going to see 16 bars of 30 minutes. You're going to see 48 bars of 10 minutes. And inside of those bars, whether it's a 1 minute bar, right? Because the price bar, I'm sure you guys have seen it, they're green and red for those of you guys that are new. That bar only represents 1 minute, or that bar only represents 3 minutes. Imagine the amount of transactions that are inside of 3 minutes. When you use transaction-based bars, Brian, like you have with Renko bars, they not only get rid of all the garbage that you don't really need to see. It kind of cleans the chart up quite a bit, but you're also able to really see what's happening rather than just seeing in 3 minutes. Because inside of a 3 minute bar or a 3 minute window, let's say, you can see 1 million transactions or 10 million transactions. Compared to if you see Renko bars, the bars are actually based on transactions. So you literally see all the information. So I use tick charts, Brian, which are similar kind of, I wouldn't say similar, they're transaction based, but obviously Renko bars are a little bit different. So I think it's awesome that you're doing that, my man. I think it'll go a lot better for you. I wish you the best of luck. And obviously, for me, the markets trading is one of the best jobs in the world to be able to learn. However, it is the hardest way to make money the easy way, right? And then as I mentioned in the middle of the video, everybody thinks that they're just gonna buy some course and in a month from now they're gonna be millionaires. And I know a lot of guys, these Forex guys and binary option guys on YouTube and Instagram, all they do is just, they show the stacks of, all that stuff is nonsense. At the end of the day, the idea is just to be consistent. So Brian, I wish you the best of luck, my man. Don't forget to subscribe here to the channel. And if you guys have any questions, obviously, don't forget to leave them with hashtag AskMarcello.